5 words or less, what are you focusing on in 2023?
Retaining and growing your audience and ESG. Might be over 5.
That's fine.
Growth, experimentation, education, which is really about continuing to educate our stakeholders, measurement and finding the right ways to measure what we're doing, and balance, which is balancing the short and the long term.
2023, I'm focused on customer success and innovation. I got in 4 words.
Okay. Directly into the camera.
This is fun.
You, Common Mark?
I thought I was off the hook.
It's time to take risks. It's time to get creative. It's time to innovate. What are your stances on some of these critical issues that we're all facing today that are top of mind for people today? How do you do more with less? How do you get really creative about your spend, or not spend at all, but rely on other areas to really drive your message? So is that communities? Are they influencers that can help tell your story for you?
There's a lot of opportunity right now to experiment, to try new things. We're definitely thinking about how we punch above our weight with the media dollars that we have, with breaking through with new concepts, with bringing people together in real life, and that's where we're going to be focused.
Crisis is always opportunity in the making, and it's an opportunity for us to get closer to your customers, to work better with your constituents internally, build the relationships that you need, and make sure that you're showing the ROI for the investments that you're making in your brand and in your community and all of your campaigns.
Being flexible and agile, staying really close to the business results, and really understanding what's happening with your customers.
You need to think about your foundation, have your foundation set. So not only what your brand stands for, but what's your perspective on the economic, political, social uncertainty that we're all experiencing today.
Marketers should have top of mind connecting with their customers in whole new ways and making sure that you're building that relationship with trust.
Oh, there's a lot. I'd say sustainability, but I'd also say a lot around data literacy, as well as understanding how you measure revenue and how you measure ROI within your organization.
Analytics, budgeting and planning, and communication.
Marketers should definitely brush up on their analytics skills and also how they're building journeys and those personalized engagements.
I would say marketers should be thinking about where consumers are discovering brands and content and finding ways to connect with their customers in those places.
There's a lot happening in ESG marketing right now. There's a rapid rise of sustainability-oriented marketing, a 1,500% increase in volume since 2017. Are we at the breaking point? Is something going to shift given all the market regulation around greenwashing or purpose washing, or should you be leaning in? So I think this is an area that people need to stay close to.
Want to learn more from today's top marketing leaders? Check out Connections, streaming right now for free on Salesforce Plus. We'll see you next time.